In this video, we're going to look at how you can add and remove sheets. So this is pretty simple. So to add a sheet, you can see down the bottom here, we have our tabs that are representing our different sheets. So if we wanted to add another sheet, we just go over here to the left, and you can see this little plus symbol that says Add Sheet, and just click that, and we've got a new sheet. You can also add a sheet by going up to Insert on the menu and go down to the bottom here to where it says New Sheet. You also see the shortcut menu for that command. So if you hold the Shift key plus F11, that will also add a new sheet. So I'm going to click this, and you can see that we have a new sheet here. You also see this, which is a list of the sheets. So if we want to quickly go between the sheets, this shows us all of our sheets, and we just select the one we want, and we go to it, and we can see it. You also see these drop-down arrows next to the sheets. So if I select this one, you can see it'll let me delete the sheet. It'll let me duplicate it or copy to. It'll let me rename the sheets. It'll also let me color code it. So if you want to color code your sheets, you could choose that. And you notice that it's now added a color. It'll also let you protect a sheet. So what this does is it locks the sheet so that no one can edit it. You can also set permissions right here so that only certain people have permissions to edit the sheet. You can also hide the sheet so no one else can see it. And you can move the sheet to the right, or you can move it to the left. You can also move it to the right or left just by clicking on it, and you notice how the cursor is turned into a four-way pointing cursor, and I'm holding my left mouse button as I'm just dragging it to where I want it, and then let go, and it drops right there. So that is how you add and remove sheets and how you move them around. Okay, in this video we looked at how to create a new sheet and how to move the sheets around. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.